baking. Hello users of the internet and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are one of my current 260 subscribers, then welcome back, and if you're not, change that. Today you may have noticed that I am in my kitchen because I've decided to test out my baking skills on this channel. I felt like it was missing some wholesome domesticity. In order to test out my cooking skills, I am going to follow a step-by-step baking tutorial by Rosanna Pansino and see if I can replicate her brownies that look like the Instagram logo. Fair warning, I have never actually cooked or baked before. Here's a list of everything I have done successfully in the kitchen. 2-minute noodles, packet brownies under intense supervision from my mother. And that's the end of the list, that's all I've done. So, who knows how this is going to go? Fingers crossed I still have a kitchen by the end of this video. If you want to follow along at home under the guise of my cooking expertise, you can follow along with me and Rosanna now. Okay, let's get started.
Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies.
She's so excited. I wish I could have that much energy when I film videos.
So, the things you will need will be 1 cup of vegetable oil.
I have all these. I have the ingredients. Oils, the flours, the powders, the eggs. I haven't really got vanilla extract, but I've got imitation vanilla essence because this was $1 and vanilla extract was $7 and I don't have money, so.
And 2/3 cup of whole milk.
Done.
The first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk together our
brownies.
Our dry ingredients.
Dry ingredients. Sugar, 2 cups and 4 tablespoons. I only have half a cup of sugar. So I'm just gonna put this icing mixture in there because icing is basically sugar and see what happens. It looks like cocaine. What do you mean? Is this my kitchen or an 80s high school party? Flour. Cocoa powder. The funny thing about bro. Oh well. Look at the brown combining with the white. Multiculturalism. Salt. Yeah boy. Baking powder. Ta-da!
Then we're gonna start some whiskey business and whisk it together until it's well combined.
Oh yeah. Whisk.
Now we're gonna add in our wet ingredients.
Wet ingredients, here we come. 1 cup of vegetable oil. It's sticky. I swear this is crackling. Maybe it's like my arteries screaming. Oh, I almost lost my Coles brand milk. It was a disaster. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, hello. My imitation vanilla. Eggs. Okay. Oh, this one's slippery. Oh! 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 Get in there. Oh! Plot of success. Open, 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 open. Yes, 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 yes. No shell, no shell, no shell. Woo! This is interesting.
Now we're gonna whisk it together one more time until it's well combined.
Whisk these disparate eggs together. That's Shakespeare. Ugh, what an arm workout. Who needs a gym membership when you can badly bake at home?
It smells delicious.
Mine doesn't.
Our brownie batter is all ready, and now we are gonna prep our pan. Oh my gosh, this looks amazing.
Yes. MasterChef, a memoir.
We're gonna reduce the heat to 325 and bake for 40 to 45 minutes.
$162 for 45 minutes, let's go. They're in. I'm gonna go watch Netflix and I'll see you for decorating. Okay, I'm back. The brownies are out of the oven. They look wow. Now I'm ready to decorate.
Now we're gonna cut out some squares.
Yeah, look at that. That's a solid entity.
That's gonna be hard not to take a bite, but we gotta wait. We just gotta wait. Okay, you're gonna take one of your little airhead bites. So I'm gonna place them on top.
Done.
You can scoop the peanut butter on top of the brownie and use a little spatula to flatten it out.
Let's do this. Let's get spreading.
Oh my gosh, chocolate peanut butter brownies, yes.
I can't believe I haven't considered being a professional chef as a career.
And now we are gonna add the last decoration, Oreos. Take a little Oreo and twist it.
Yes.
Then we're gonna scrape off the yummy part, and that is gonna be the lens. We're gonna put that right in the middle.
I love having to slouch to get in frame. I feel like the Hunchback of Notre Dame, except I'm not fancy enough to be French.
Now for the second part, you're gonna take your little mini Oreos and do the same thing. You're gonna twist them apart, and I'm just gonna cut a square. Then you're gonna stick this little guy right up here, be the little viewfinders. I thought I was done decorating. I have a lot of jelly beans in my house.
Yeah, cool. Well, I have no jelly beans, so this is it. We're done. Okay, well, this is the finished product. I think they look amazing, incredible, top-notch. I think they rival Rosanna Pansino. I think Instagram should hire me to be a spokesperson. Like, Tanya Burr has a baking book. Give me a year, I'm gonna have my own baking book. Thank you so much for watching. If you think that I am a professional chef, then please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have taste and know what food should look like, please also give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. R.I.P. my kitchen. Buffy, go.